Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices ease to a fresh one-week low as the market considers how US President Donald Trump's proposed tariffs could affect global economic growth and demand for energy. Wall Street's indexes rose with the benchmark S&P 500 hitting an intraday record high as investors cheered streaming video provider Netflix quarterly report and President Donald Trump's private sector artificial intelligence infrastructure investment plan. The pre-inauguration Donald Trump meme coin frenzy contributed to a record surge in new Solana addresses as users continue to flock to the meme-friendly blockchain. The daily number of new Solana addresses reached almost 9 million ahead of US President Donald Trump's inauguration.
The euro-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The CCI is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The sterling-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
This week's economic calendar brings a lineup of key reports that vary in importance. Market participants should remain alert as these events may trigger significant price movements and affect trading conditions across major asset classes. As we await these data points, it's wise to prepare for the market's reaction. Volatility may arise, presenting both challenges and opportunities for informed investors.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.